what's up, guys? This is the CYOZ by the one. CYOZ 47 by the one. We'll get into this. This is what I like to call the Lord of Fanning. Ain't no other balisong out there, in my opinion, can fan better than this. This is the God of fanning. Yep. So yeah, the CYOZ God of fanning. This is the God of fanning. Oh damn, I'm shit. Oh, often you see me do that move. Yeah, so you're chilling. Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful. So nice to be outside, so nice to be alive, you know? Yeah, cute. Yeah, got this from Aliexpress. This, I don't think this balisong is not a clone, if that's what you're wondering. This is not a clone. This is an original design. The handles are original design, but the blade is similar to the Nautilus, Squiddy's Nautilus. It's kind of similar to that in a blade shape, except they just add a can opener spot there. See, again with the Lord of flipping. Really nice, very smooth, but it's kind of slippery. No play. Look at that. Zero. Yeah, I'm wearing red socks. Red. Representing some red today. Yeah. No rat. No tap. Easy and nice. The one. So it says here the 147. Look. Yeah, the 147. Yeah, this is a nice one here, guys. This is a really awesome one here. I think this one runs about 47 bucks on Aliexpress. So it comes in this red. It's a beautiful ass red. I'm gonna bring this. So you hit the sun here. Yeah, comes in this beautiful red, silver, blue, and I think black. If I can remember, black or yellow or green, one of those. Yeah, it's really smooth. Comes real smooth out of the box. You don't really have to do much tuning. Well, damn, I don't even remember. Do you? Oops. I don't even remember. Yeah, so this balisong is about 10 inches overall, very light. It's about the same length, or almost the same length as the replicant. Well, pretty much the same length. Yeah, this let's see what I could do with this. Oh, yeah. Anyway, very smooth. Hear that sound? Hear that? Hear the song. Sounds so sexy. So chilling. Walking around the yard for you. Flipping the coolers. Oh man, I apologize for the damn camera quality. Yeah, if you're looking for an original design, you should try and grab this one. Aliexpress outdoor tool store. Hit that guy up, man. He's a really cool guy. He ships out your knife at the same day. If not the same day, the second day you can get your knife. a really cool guy. He just all about making business for it. He just wants people to just buy his damn product, you know what I'm saying? I can respect that. They come really quick. I think my stuff has been, I think I have like one more coming. I mentioned it in the last video that order a live blade of the cracking rocking. Can't wait to test that out. A video on that one. This, you're going to have fun with the coins. Oh my god, I don't remember the goddamn name. Ah, look how beautiful this day is. Look at that sky. So blue. Seems extra blue on the camera. Man, if this was 100% original design, like if they had to came up with their own blade design, even though this is my favorite blade design because it reminds you of a machete, this would have been in a class of its own. I mean, it's already in a damn original design class of its own, but I could only imagine. Oh man, I could only imagine if the blade was a truly original design with this original handle. Just so nice and it's round, very round, as you can see, very round. So this makes finding this super ridiculously easy. Damn neck. God, they suck today. They suck all the time. It takes getting used to this handle because it's so narrow and round. You're gonna be like slipping. This shit will fly out your hand. The second day of me getting this knife and I was flipping on concrete, what the hell was I thinking? The shit flew right out of my hand just by doing this. Just by doing some fanning. Flew right out my hand. Bam! Right onto some concrete. Never again. That's why it has this freaking damage here. Yeah, that's why I have this little damage here, man, from the goddamn concrete. So when you first get this knife, yeah, just do not at any circumstances flip this on any type of hard surfaces, because this shit will fly out your hand due to this handle shape. Say T1 T147, the 147. What is that? Some kind of wolf, monster, beast? Yeah, man, this out here chilling. Trying to think about what else to freaking talk about. Man, this is a good bike. $47. Can't go wrong with this. Really good quality. I think it's speed. That aluminum handles, of course. Aluminum handles are the best handles. I think they're better than titanium. This is just me. Aluminum handles are better than titanium, in my opinion. Better than G10. They're just nice. Just so light, and it makes a nice sound, especially when it comes to full channel designs. It makes a nice ring, easy to tune, not so much parts that you have to go and like go around. You know, you can tighten up the pivot and the Zen pins to the max. These are tightened to the max, so that's a plus. They run on bushings too, by the way. Some like big oversized fat bushings there. I wish I had a picture to show you. I'd have to go back inside and get my tools to show you the rest. I ain't doing that shit right now. But it runs on big oversized bushings. Yeah. This is a nice one here, guys. Pick this up. so nice. Like this will make a good everyday carry balisong. Just everyday carry. Carry this one anyway with you. I also wish it came with a live blade option. I wonder how that would fit. So I went and tried this little experiment. I went and swapped the blades. Went and swapped the, what is that, mother? Yeah. Oh yeah, where was I? I went to swap the blade from this one onto my cracking racking clone, and guess what? It fits. Only one issue though, when it came into a closed position, the handles was biting, so I took it off. But when it was open, it was just fine, and it looks sexy too with this nice blade shape with cracking racking scales, aluminum handles. She was fly, but I won't keep it on for long though. Put this back on. I didn't do like a back. I didn't put like the cracking racking blade onto this. Switch it back because this blade just feels way better. I don't even know how heavy is this, man. This knife has to at least be 2 ounces. No heavier than 2 ounces, or maybe 2.5 ounces. Cause this is just very light. It sounds like it has weight behind of it because the sounds it makes make it sound like, you know, it sounds heavy. Yeah, guys. Yeah, pick yourself up one of these. You're gonna enjoy this. Peace.